L'Oréal Paris Infallible Blur-fection Longwear Loose Setting Powder, blurring face powder with up to 24 hours of wear, brightening light pink, 1 kit. Brightening face makeup, Infallible up to 24H Blur-fection Longwear Loose Finishing Powder sets your makeup while blurring and brightening. Lightweight powders with Longwear effects. Transfer and flashback resistant, talc-free with up to 24H wear. Lock in your look, airy setting powder makeup blurs the appearance of fine lines and pores while locking in makeup for up to 24H. Pink tinted shades brighten and subtly color correct, and translucent powder shades beautifully blur. For best use, to set makeup, press blurring setting powder into freshly applied foundation or concealer with a powder puff, beauty sponge, or brush. After waiting for a few minutes, lightly dust off remaining loose powder for a soft matte look. Because you're worth it, create the look you want with our full line of makeup including foundations, concealers, highlighter makeup, brow pencils, eyeshadow palettes, lipsticks and much more. L'Oréal Paris Beauty, a leading total beauty care company based in Paris, we offer innovative products and unique expertise from beauty experts in makeup, skin care, hair care, styling and hair color. Like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the bell so you never miss more video.